common problems with heated driveways and how to avoid them. My name is Mike from ActionHomeServices, and the first thing you need to do is choose the right contractor. A reputable company like ActionHomeServices, who have been in business for long enough and been installing a lot of heated driveways in Toronto and GTA area and can provide a proof of work, what has actually been done. Most common things that happen to heated driveways are the surface shifts, or there is a loss of heating due to the not properly installed material or spacing between the electric heating cables. You will have these spots where the surface does not heat up enough, so you'll have ice build up. That's why, as you can see on this driveway, everything is done perfectly, every line aligned with a certain specification to make sure the whole area gets heat up properly and there is no missed spots, so the whole surface of the heated driveway is fully heated and it slopes towards the drain, so this way you don't have ice build up nor you have freezing. So call ActionHomeServices for your heated driveway needs and you will avoid the problems. We'll help you to avoid them, and we will also educate you on how to avoid them as a user of the heated driveway.